Sanjay Dutt's sister, Priya Dutt, is now speaking to our sister network Aaj Tak. Let's cut across live.
उनका इंतजार है, बच्चे सब यहीं हैं, हम सब यहीं हैं। आई थिंक एक दो दिन तक तो बहुत बातचीत ही चलेगी, बहुत लोग आएंगे, मिलेंगे, तो बस बहुत एक्साइटमेंट है।
एक चीज़ है और वो ये है कि जिस तरीके से संजय दत्त को रिलीज़ किया गया वो अपने आप में एक बड़ी अच्छी बात यह है कि उनके अच्छे कंडक्ट के लिए उनको थोड़ा जल्दी छोड़ा गया, लेकिन वहाँ के जो अनुभव रहे, जिस तरीके से उन्होंने लिफाफे बनाए, जिस तरीके से उन्होंने एक बार कुछ स्टेज शोज़ किए, लोगों को ये रंगमंच की दुनिया से वाकिफ कराया, आरजे खुद बने हुए थे, उन एक्सपीरियंसेस के बारे में संजय जब बीच में आते होंगे तो कुछ तो शेयर किया होगा आपके साथ?
नहीं, ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं। अभी आप जब वो आएंगे तो आई थिंक वो खुद बताएंगे आपको, लेकिन ज़्यादा तो मैंने पेपर में पढ़ा था कि वो रेडियो प्रोग्राम के बारे में उन्होंने थोड़ा कुछ बताया था, लेकिन इतनी डिटेल में नहीं। और वो ऑब्वियसली जब बाहर आए तो कभी हमारी बात इतनी ज़्यादा ऐसी नहीं हुई कि अंदर क्या हो रहा है। उनको बच्चों के साथ रहना था और हम सबसे बातें करनी थी, तो हम लोगों ने ज़्यादा जेल के बारे में बात की नहीं, लेकिन जो कुछ भी हमें पता चला और मीडिया से या कि उन्होंने बहुत कुछ किया जेल में।
आपकी फैमिली की अगर बात की जाए तो आपकी फैमिली का एक बहुत बड़ा रोल रहा है दत्त साहब का खासकर, और मैं खुद पर्सनली दत्त साहब के साथ कई बार हरियाणा ट्रैवल कर चुका हूँ, कई बार जा चुका हूँ और मैंने उनसे कई सारी चीज़ें सुनी भी हैं परिवार को लेकर। आज जब आप टीवी स्क्रीन पर सुबह बैठी होंगी या आप देख रही होंगी तो ये जो तस्वीरें हैं जिसमें मैंने एक बड़े गौर से एक दो चीज़ें देखी, मैं आपसे शेयर करूंगा। पहले तो संजय दत्त जैसे ही बाहर आते हैं, ज़मीन छूते हैं, सैल्यूट करते हैं वहाँ पर नेशनल फ्लैग को, और उनकी जेब में एक माता की चुन्नी होती है, सिर पे तिलक होता है। तो इसको आप खासकर ये जो एक इमोशनल मोमेंट है, खासकर ये देखते हुए कि उस जगह से भी संजय दत्त का जो कनेक्ट है और जो एक रिलीजियस फेथ है, उसके बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे?
देखिए, पहले तो आई थिंक आज वो इमेजेस देख के बहुत इमोशनल जैसे हो गए हम सब, क्योंकि जैसे पिताजी की याद बहुत आ रही थी और काश वो आज जिंदा होते ये दिन देखने के लिए। और संजय का ये हमेशा रहा है कि जहाँ भी वो गए हैं, वो हमेशा उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे रिलेशनशिप्स बनाए हैं। और आप उनके जो कलीग्स हैं उनसे भी पूछे कि वो कभी लोगों में अंतर नहीं करते, वो दिल से जुड़ते हैं लोगों के साथ। और इन बरसों से हमेशा जब पापा भी थे, हमेशा जैसे हमारे he was a great patriot and he's taught us about nationalism and about the love for the country. तो of course के उनके मन में भी यही है। और faith के बिना तो कुछ होता नहीं है। He's been strong because he has faith, he had hope, and he had the strength from God and all his fans and his family and all his loved ones.
मैं आपसे एक मोमेंट शेयर करूंगा प्रिया। ये बात है आज से तकरीबन 12-13 साल पहले की। मैं दत्त साहब के साथ यमुनानगर गया था। यमुनानगर से आप लोगों का खास जुड़ाव है।
बिल्कुल।
और हम गाड़ी में गए थे उनके साथ, और उस दरमियान मुझे अच्छी तरीके से याद है जितना भी सफ़र लगा रहा, और उस सफ़र में करीब 70% टाइम वो संजय दत्त के पूरे एपिसोड के ऊपर जिक्र करते रहे। मैंने उनसे एक सवाल पूछा था और उसको लेकर वो बहुत इमोशनल रहे। और उस दरमियान कुछ मोमेंट्स ऐसे आए जब लगा कि उस समय पर परिवार के ऊपर जो बीती और जिस तरीके से परिवार एक साथ था,
बिल्कुल
ये आज से 12-13 साल पहले की बात है। ये जो वक्त अभी गुजरा है ये और ज्यादा कठिन था।
बिल्कुल।
आप लोग जब संजय दत्त बीच में आते थे और वो उस वक्त कैसे स्ट्रेंथ दी जाती थी, कैसे? क्योंकि आज की तस्वीर जब चेहरे पे मुस्कुराहट है, पहला कदम बाहर रखा, बहुत अलग है। और वो तस्वीर जब हमें याद है, संजय दत्त की आंखों से आंसू निकले थे, क्योंकि एक मोमेंट ऑफ अनसर्टेनिटी होता है जब उनको ये बोला गया कि आपको जेल जाना पड़ेगा। इस दरमियान आप लोगों ने, परिवार ने कैसे हैंडल किया इस पूरी सिचुएशन को?
देखिए, मुश्किल तो बहुत थी, लेकिन हमें जानते थे कि हमें बहुत स्ट्रांग रहना पड़ेगा एक दूसरे के लिए, क्योंकि हमें से एक जो ये बकल हो जाएगा या वीक हो जाएगा, तो ही विल फील वीक वंस अगेन। एंड आफ्टर ऑल के उनको ही पूरा कुछ झेलना पड़ेगा। हम बाहर बैठे हैं, वो अंदर हैं, और उनके लिए सबसे ज्यादा मुश्किल होगी। और हमारी जिम्मेवारी ये थी कि उनको हम स्ट्रेंथ दें, एंड वही हमारी कोशिश हमेशा रही है। और आई थिंक सबसे बड़ी बात है कि जो मेरे पिताजी ने हमें सिखाया था, या हम इतने 23 साल उनके साथ रहकर हमने यही सीखा कि एक दूसरे के साथ एकजुट होकर हम कुछ भी हो उसका सामना कर सकते हैं।
एक चीज़ और मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगा, अब जाहिर सी बात है ये संजय दत्त की पर्सनल चॉइस होगी, लेकिन क्या जीवन में कभी भी आपको लगता है संजय अपने इस एपिसोड को, अपने लाइफ के इस पार्ट को लोगों के सामने लेकर आएंगे किसी भी फॉर्म में, या तो बायोग्राफी या फिल्म या
देखिए, संजय ने अपनी जिंदगी के बारे में कभी किसी से कुछ छुपाया नहीं है। उनकी जो जिंदगी है एक ओपन किताब है, और आई थिंक लोगों ने हमेशा संजय की जिंदगी के बारे में डिस्कस किया है, कमेंट किया है, इन्वेस्टिगेट किया है, सब कुछ हो चुका है उनकी जिंदगी में। और वो हमेशा उन्हें हमेशा आई थिंक he's taken everything with great dignity. I think वो उनकी खासियत है, that he's faced everything with great dignity. And today, believe me, I'm proud that he has faced these 23 years like a man, and he's faced these 20 years with such dignity that he's been able to come out today with his head held high.
प्रिया, अंत भला तो सब भरा, और अंत बहुत अच्छा हुआ है। आज का दिन आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा जाएगा। ऑलरेडी शुरुआत बहुत अच्छी हुई है। ऑल द बेस्ट। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमसे बातचीत करने के लिए आपका।
All right, that was Priya Dutt, sister of Sanjay Dutt, associated with the Congress as well, speaking to our sister network Aaj Tak, where she spoke on a number of issues, where she said that we knew we had to stay strong. Got a little emotional talking about Sanjay Dutt and her father, Sunil Dutt, actor Sunil Dutt. He was also a politician with the Congress party, saying that he would have been very happy, really missing him around on this day. And towards the end, she made the most crucial of all statements, that over the past 23 years, Sanjay has taken this entire incident like a man. That's a proud sister speaking. Let's go across to Shilpa Ratnam, who joins us from Mumbai with all the latest. Shilpa, we just spoke to Sanjay's sister. A number of reactions coming in from the film fraternity. Everybody is looking forward to welcoming Sanjay Dutt.
Yes, indeed, Sanket, and the congratulatory messages have started flowing in from Bollywood. Rishi Kapoor has said, "Welcome to the grind, makes memorable movies." Now, he's posted a grab of himself alongside Sanjay Dutt from Agnipath, the remake in which the two starred side by side. Sanjay Dutt, of course, in a Voldemort avatar in that one. Raj Kundra, interestingly, has said, "So happy my brother Sanjay Dutt is finally a free man. Family time and time to catch up on lost time, renewed, recharged and ready, making a jail sound something like a battery pack." Then you have Shilpa Shirodkar, who's also said he comes home today a free man. Mahesh Bhatt, in his signature style, says, "Lord, I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 500 miles away," of course referencing that song 500 miles away from home. Priyanka Chopra, the flavor of the international flavor of the season, has also said, "So proud that Sanjay Dutt is returning back home." So Bollywood there welcoming him with open arms. Sanjay Dutt enjoys tremendous goodwill, not just because of his father, who was a much loved and a very popular actor, and not just because of his mother, but also because of the kind of friends that he's made, the kind of equations that he's formed. Sanjay Dutt is one person who's known as Sanju Baba, and interestingly, Salman Khan, another person who was scheduled to do time for an alleged crime, is also another person who's known as Bhai. So two people there with a lot of fans and people who've really capitalized on a larger than life image to spin the storyline around their lives into a positive one.
All right, Shilpa, many thanks for joining us at this moment. So the entire film fraternity seems to be coming out in support of actor Sanjay Dutt. We've also got some reactions from Rajkumar Hirani. Remember, Rajkumar Hirani was in Pune when Sanjay Dutt walked out of the Yerwada jail. He's filming a sequence for a biopic on Sanjay Dutt. And then after that, he's accompanying him also from the Pune airport to Mumbai. And an onward journey that will take place and engagements in Pune. Let's listen in. Let's see if we have a reaction from Rajkumar Hirani. We have a reaction from Rajkumar Hirani. We'll play that out and then also play a sequence, the first words of Sanjay Dutt after coming out of prison.
Your association with him? My association has been there with him for a long time and will be continuing for a long time.
Your next project? उनके सपोर्ट की वजह से मैं यहाँ हूँ. There's no easy walk to freedom, my friend.
Now, Sanjay Dutt is a free man now, as you can see in these pictures, in Pune's Yerwada jail for the past 42 months after being convicted in the 1993 Mumbai serial bomb blast. Dutt walked out a free man. Cameras caught the entire exit sequence. Sanjay Dutt walking outside the jail wearing a vermilion mark on his forehead, bending to touch the ground, saluting the prison complex, and then walking into a horde of his fans. He was welcomed by his wife and filmmaker Rajkumar Hirani, who's filming a biopic on him. The actor then left for the airport and is now on his way to Mumbai in a chartered plane. Back in Mumbai, the actor is expected to visit the Siddhivinayak temple and then at his mother Nargis's grave. That will focus on getting back to work and will begin shooting for Munna Bhai 3. He's also expected to address a press conference later in the day.
It is very unfortunate that merely because he was Sanjay Dutt, people quoted controversy on parole and furlough. Parole and furlough are a part of criminal justice and prison reformation system, and it has been existent and prevalent since prisons have been here. Parole and furlough have been granted to every inmate. Zaibunisa Qazi has been convicted under TADA. Sanjay Dutt has not been convicted under TADA. His conviction is only under the Arms Act. So therefore, to equate the two cases is like equating apples and oranges.
Now this is what we have been able to learn. This is how his day has been since morning. He woke up at 6:30 a.m., practiced yoga, had breakfast with which in fact included a few dry fruits, took a bath, mended his uniform, short walk with Mumbai blast convict Yusuf Nalwala, went to the prison radio station, pre-recorded some shows for the future, then he bid farewell to fellow inmates and then prepared for his release. All this happened between 6:30 and 8:30 because 8:30 a.m. is when Sanjay Dutt walked out and the world could actually see what was happening. Now, earlier we spoke to producer Vashu Bhagnani on Sanjay Dutt's release as well as other producers and directors. We also spoke to director Sajid Khan. Let's listen into all the reactions that came in.
See, we all are waiting for welcoming him because he's the best man in the industry. Very lovable man, And I don't know how the 3 years have gone because when we were going to the jail, we all were in his house. ऐसे लग रहा था कि 3 साल कब खत्म होंगे ऐसे लग रहा अभी 3 दिन पहले ही खत्म हुआ है. Just like everybody else in the film industry, within the trade and from outside, his fans, people all over the country, people all over the world in fact, have somewhere forgiven, forgotten and are very happy that Baba is back and the debt to society is paid. I think the worst ordeal of his life, which almost lasted for 25 years, is finally over. And I think he's going to emerge a bigger star, a better star, a bigger person. And generally everybody is very happy. The mood is very jubilant. there's a lot of work waiting for him, but I think he needs to spend time with his family, regroup himself, and give himself some time before he joins the films again. There's lots of work. I know lots of producer directors who are waiting in the wings to sign him for their projects. He's a fantastic actor, and I don't see any reason as to why he shouldn't be getting back into the movies and doing the job that he does best.
Shilpa Ratnam is now still with us. Shilpa, these pictures are going to be widely circulated now of the entire sequence of events of him coming out, touching the ground, turning around, keeping his bag down, saluting the national flag at the Yerwada prison, and then walking towards his SUV and then meeting his family. Now, a lot of reactions that we have heard from the film fraternity are obviously in favor of Sanjay Dutt. Just want to know from you the reactions that we have seen in the past few years on this particular issue, where people have actually accused the administration of being pro Sanjay Dutt simply because of his celebrity status.
Well, yes, Sanket. The kind of furloughs and the kind of legal loopholes that Sanjay Dutt was able to maximize because of the celebrity status that he enjoys, and the kind of lawyers that he is able to engage. Also, the flip side of that is that all the furloughs and the paroles that he's made the maximum use of have civilly come under criticism from people who feel that for the crime that he's done, he's only served the time of the kind that the rich and famous do, albeit under a lot of glare, but a kind of lenient sentence given to him there, and that's the kind of criticism that he's got over the years. The film industry, of course, has always been behind him and has wanted the best for the actor. However, interestingly here, I'd like to add that a few years ago, I'd spoken to a filmmaker who had worked with Sanjay Dutt, and off the record, he told me that at the end of the day, here's a person who has been convicted for a crime he's done, and once the honorable court has decided that he has to serve a sentence, there really shouldn't be so much spoken about it. This was in reaction to me approaching the filmmaker for a soundbite on the actor's then imprisonment. Sanket, though while on record everybody only has the nicest things to say, of course I think somewhere in there the film industry also feels that there's a crime that has been done, but the actor has done the time. In fact, Priya Dutt has also said that he's done his time like a man. So while that might not be very gender neutral, that statement that's something that everybody feels, but Bollywood and its fans in full force, they're waiting for Sanjay Dutt to come back home to Mumbai and to greet him and to meet him on screen and off screen.
Okay, Shilpa, thanks very much for joining us. Let's also quickly listen in to what the sister of Sanjay Dutt, Priya Dutt, told our sister network, Aaj Tak, just a short while back.
उनका इंतजार है, बच्चे सब यहीं हैं, हम सब यहीं हैं। आई थिंक 1-2 दिन तक तो बहुत बातचीत ही चलेगी, बहुत लोग आएंगे, मिलेंगे, तो बस बहुत एक्साइटमेंट है। मैंने पेपर में पढ़ा था कि वो रेडियो प्रोग्राम के बारे में उन्होंने थोड़ा कुछ बताया था, लेकिन इतनी डिटेल में नहीं। और वो ऑब्वियसली जब बाहर आए तो कभी हमारी बात इतनी ज़्यादा ऐसी नहीं हुई कि अंदर क्या हो रहा है। उनको बच्चों के साथ रहना था और हम सबसे बातें करनी थी, तो हम लोगों ने ज़्यादा जेल के बारे में बात की नहीं। लेकिन जो कुछ भी हमें पता चला और मीडिया से या कि उन्होंने बहुत कुछ किया जेल में।
Petition has now been filed in Bombay High Court against the release of Sanjay Dutt, citing inequality. It is in public interest, asking Sanjay Dutt's release order to be cancelled. The petition will only come up for hearing tomorrow.